This is the OPI Expert Touch Lacquer Remover, and this is great for removing your nail polish. This measures 3.7 ounces and very easy to use. It has a twist-off cap, just like this. And what's really nice is it's nice and strong. However, it does not have the drying effects that some nail polish removers have. And all you have to do is grab a cotton swab or a lint-free remover and dip it just like that. Then you're going to saturate your nail. And then you rub it off and it comes off, just like that. Perfect. Now I'm going to do the rest of my nails and show you what it looks like. And there you go. Simple as that. Now I'm ready to put a new coat of nail polish. And it's not drying either. Definitely love it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.